I'm having too much fun now. Let's check out these cool Play-Doh eggs full of toy surprises. Starting off with the bright orange egg.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Blobmoz Series 3, TP444 from Trash Pack. Give the video a thumbs up if you've got any Trash Pack. Who might be in the yellow egg?
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Fillmore from Disney Cars 2. Who do you think would win a race between Fillmore and Super Mario? Comment below the fastest racer would be and tell me. The purple egg is the next surprise choice.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Scallopy from Pokemon. Up next, let's check out the red Play-Doh egg.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Flower Wishes from My Little Pony. Let's see what the green egg has for us.
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Gordon from Thomas the Tank Engine. What surprise do you think the pink egg might have?
Here comes the surprise.
3, 2, 1.
It's Coolio from Moshi Monsters. I'm having too much fun now. Thanks for watching. Share this video everywhere. YouTube, Google+, Facebook, Twitter and more. And then click playlist and watch more.